The next presenter is Dr. Leonardo Gomes.
Agora vai chamar a apresentação. Não está fora nessa parte. Eu acho que é essa. Não é essa. Vou fazer aqui. Sim.
2 minutos.
Okay. Hello everyone. My name is Leonardo Gomes. The title of my presentation is Manage Radical Innovation in the Innovation Ecosystem. Today I'll give an overview of my background, my research areas, and industry collaboration. I'm going to talk a little bit about me. I got my PhD degree in production engineering. I was a visiting scholar at FAPESP, CTM, but I think you haven't met, I think. Perhaps in the pubs, you never know. Currently, I'm professor at the University of São Paulo, the Business Administration Department. The main areas of my research are radical innovation management. In particular, I try to understand how companies build capabilities in such an area and entrepreneurial ecosystem. Now, basically, I give a glance what I've done in my research related to radical innovation management. This research was published in Tech Innovation. The basic idea is there are different innovation models, and basically this model are proposed for incremental innovation management for new product development and for large companies. So there is a problem related of fitting with the reality. This is an example of this kind of innovation management. As a criticism about this model, there is no clear starting and no clear ending for this kind of model, and the sequence frequently is not as the figure shows. So the motivation of this study is difficult for managers to justify research allocation in projects that not fit this kind of path. In general, radical projects are penalized, and you will decide to adopt a contingency approach in order to identify which kind of innovation process are more appropriated for different kind of innovation project. We set a very large research project. You investigate around 72 companies and 132 innovation processes. The objective was to map the real innovation process followed by the companies. So here we have some examples, some illustration of this innovation process that you found in the field. And you published this research in Tech Innovation. Following that, I will explain a little bit about my research, my current research in entrepreneurial ecosystem. The main research question is how do entrepreneurs manage uncertainties at the ecosystem level. I try to bring some concept from Elizabeth Garza papers, and the gap I try to fill is the current management approach for uncertainty. I basically focus on the formal level. You use basically case study, inductive case study to build the theory, and you submit a paper to Academy of Management journal, and we started the first cycle of review recently. And the feedbacks are good. As the future target, we are most finish a manuscript to organization science in collaboration with Jean O'Connor. The basic idea is try to understand how firms build an innovation function. Also, you finished a manuscript to Omega related to building capabilities for competing fast fashion environment. And you are in a process of submitting a paper to Journal of Business Venture related to entrepreneurial heuristic. as a future research project, we just submit a project to FAPESP about managed uncertainties. It tried to improve our model related to innovation function in the companies. This project is in collaboration with Gina Connell. As example of collaboration project with the industry, we finished a project with 80 companies in which we try to build the capabilities related to innovation. We developed an online course in innovation management available in YouTube. This is an example of a theme around the ecosystem. Is me try to speak in Portuguese as hard as speaking English, you know. And this other project that you have finished this year is around to build the innovation capabilities for fast fashion companies. You have helped around 40 companies. Thank you very much for your time. I think I'm open after this for the questions. Thank you very much.